Heavy rains have been wreaking the state since Friday, resulting in the death of over 12 people and dozens of people are missing. Death toll may increase in the coming hours. The continuous pouring has worsened the weather condition in the state and triggered landslides and flash floods due to it. Many parts, especially the central and northern parts of Kerala, being the worst hit areas. The government had sought assistance and aid from defense forces for rescue operations as well. The Indian Meteorological Department has put out warnings of more rains on Saturday and light showers in the next 24 hours. One of the districts of Kerala that had suffered gravely during the 2018 floods was Pathanamthitta. According to latest updates from Indian Meteorological Department, the intensity of rains has slowed down and it has become a relief to the ongoing rescue and relief operations which are progressing in the affected areas of the state. Now, the reason that triggered this sudden weather change is being searched by people everywhere. On October 14th, a low-pressure system had formed in the east-central Arabian Sea and it moved closer to Kerala coast. As a result, the southern Indian state Kerala started to receive heavy to very heavy precipitation ranging from 115.5 mm to 204.4 mm in 24 hours. In addition to that, an extremely heavy rain of over 204.4 mm was received in 24 hours as well in at least 6 districts since Thursday. Meanwhile, on Saturday, Todupuzha, a municipality located in Idukki, received 145 mm rainfall, the most among the southern districts of the state. Rainfall obtained by other districts was as follows: Cherutoni 142.2 mm, Koni 125 mm, Tenmala 120.5 mm, Vyantala 95 mm, Kottarakara 77 mm, Pallurthi 66 mm. The high ranges of central and south Kerala are thereby experiencing almost the same adversity it faced during the calamitous flood of 2018 and 2019, but authorities have assured that this time everything was under their control and informed people not to panic. Numerous people have reportedly been injured and many were displaced in rain-related occurrences in the state. The dams in many districts of Kerala is on the verge of reaching its full capacity. Villages and small towns in the hilly areas of the state are completely disconnected from the outside world due to the devastating incessant rains the place is receiving the past few days. The North Paravur automatic weather stations reported 38 mm rains in some districts, namely Muvattupuzha 89.5 mm, Pallurthi 34 mm, and Neeleshwaram in northern Kerala district received 125.5 mm rains till 8:30 pm, an official stated. The situation is serious, said the Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan. He, however, said the latest weather forecast indicates that the situation will not get worse. By September 30th, Southwest monsoon season concludes in Kerala according to the facts. However, this year, it has been atypically delayed. The onset of northeast monsoon began by October 15 with minor deviations. IMD Center Thiruvananthapuram Director K. Santosh informed media sources, adding that before the beginning of northeast monsoon, an anticyclonic wind has to form over the lower troposphere. Thereby, the rainfall during the last 4 days has been named a localized phenomenon that was triggered due to the low-pressure system developed in the Arabian Sea. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.